Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the part 2 session of stars and the solar system. Today we are going to discuss about the topic, that is the stars. What are the objects do you see in the night sky? So we are going to see in the night sky, we are going to see the stars, so meteoroids and other things also we are going to see in sky. So stars have their own light. So when compared to the other objects, stars are totally different. Why? Because they have their own light. They have given. Are they have the same color? In the fact, stars emit light on their own. The sun is also a star. Why does it appear so large compared to the other stars? Sun is very near to the earth, so that's why it looks very large when compared to the other stars. Other stars are very far away from the earth, so that's what they will look very small. So which appears bigger, a football placed near you or a football placed at a distance of 100 meters? The stars are millions of times further away than the sun. Therefore, the stars appears to us like point size. The speed of light can be measured in light years. The speed of light is measured in light years. Keep in point, okay? Keep this point remembered. So next we are having. So in fact, the stars are present in sky during the daytime also. However, they are not visible then because of the bright sunlight. So stars are not only present in night, but they are also present in day also. We can't see in day. Why? Because the sunlight is very brighter than the other star lights. Okay. So that's what we can't see the stars in day. Only we can see the stars in night. Observe some prominent stars or a group of stars in the sky for about 2 hours or more. What do you find? Do you find any changes in the positions of the stars in the sky? Yes, you can see the position of the stars. So you will find that the stars appears to move from east to west. The stars appears to be moved from east to west. Okay. A star which rises in the east in the evening, sets in the west in the early morning. Why do stars appears to move from east to west? Let us just find out. So, primarily because that when she is in a moving train, the nearby trees and buildings appears to be moving in the backward direction. So, you know that Earth is continuously moving. So, that's what star also looks like, it is moving. So, if the stars appears to move from east to west, would you mean that the Earth rotates from west to east? Earth is rotating from west to east. So, they are asking question, Earth is also rotating. So that's what, whenever we look to other objects, it looks like it is also moving from one place to another place, or one direction to the another direction. So next, there is actual a star, the pole star, which is situated in the direction of Earth axis. It does not appear to move. So one star is there, that is pole star. It does not appear to move. Always it looks at the one direction, that is actual type. So it can be seen at a particular direction, it will not move from another place. Okay. The pole star lies closely to the axis of rotation of the earth, so that's what it will look constant in the sky. So next we are having constellations. So constellations means the stars forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called as constellation. The stars which are present in the group that have the recognizable shapes, they are known as constellation. The stars forming a group that has a recognizable shapes, it is called a constellation. You can easily identify some constellations in the night sky. For this you should know how a particular constellations look like and where to look for it in the night sky. That should be, you should know to identify the constellations in night sky. One of the most famous constellation which you can see during summer time in the early part of the night is known as Ursa Major. Ursa Major, here they have given. So constellation may be in the shape of bear or in the shape of Orion. So Leo Major, we have different shapes of constellations. You can see in your textbook also. Go through with your textbook. They have given some of the diagrams of constellation also. So it is known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear, or the Saptarishi. Ursa Major, this is the Ursa Major. You can see like this shape in the star, Ursa Major. Okay. So which looks like a bear, or it can also be called as Saptarishi. Okay. So Great Bear, or you can say Saptarishi also. So there are 7 prominent stars in this constellation. It appears like a big ladder or a question mark. There are 3 stars in the handle. If the ladle and 4 in it blows, see here, it will looks like this. The Saptarishi, it will looks like this. Deeper, so used for drinking water in the ancient times. Like this, they are used for the drinking purpose. The water is collected in this bowl and it is utilized for the drinking purpose in the ancient times. So the Ursa Major or Saptarishi or Great Bear looks like this. The Ursa Major is a constellation. It is a group of stars which looks like in the shape of like this in the star in the sky. Okay, it has 7 stars, so that's why it is called as Saptarishi. Okay. So they have given here. You can go through with your textbooks also. This one is the pole star. The pole star will look like this. The constellation. Ursa Major, you can see here 7 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars are there. Ursa Major. Location of pole star. It will look like that. Orion is another well-known constellation that can be seen during winter in the late evenings. Orion is another constellation which can be seen in winter season in the early evening. Okay, late evening you can see the Orion. So in winter season also, it is one of the most magnificent constellation in the sky. It also has 7 or 8 bright stars. Orion is also called as the hunter. Orion is also called as hunter. It will look like in the shape of hunter. Orion is also called as the hunter. The 3 middle stars represents the belt of the hunter. The 4 bright stars appears to be arranged in the form of quadrilateral. See here, it looks like a hunter. The star Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky. The star Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. Is located close to Orion. It locates Sirius. Imagine a straight line passing through the 3 middle stars of Orion. Look along this line towards the east. This line will lead to a very bright star. This is Sirius. So this is the Sirius you can see here. This is the Sirius, which is the brightest star you can locate in the sky. So Cassiopeia is another prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of the night. It looks like a distraught letter W or M. It will looks like a W or M. You can see here. It will looks like a W or M also. So and we are having the solar system. Here the solar system, the sun and the constellation, celestial bodies which revolve around it forms the solar system. It consists of large number of bodies such as planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. The solar system consists of different types of bodies. They are planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. You can see in the solar system also. So we will discuss the solar system in the next session. So we go through with the constellation part. We have discussed the different types of constellation which we can see in the different shapes. So when it will look, in which season it will look, we go through with that one. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. We will give suggestion for that one. Thank you guys.